a little weird setup here. Attached to the Becket. Thing, man. You know, let's do it. So, get a rope, but we're gonna pull these guys backwards. Okay. Sit in my climbing system here. I'm nice and comfy. Alright, and I bought a little trick, man. I bought a little trick with me. Here's a trick ball. See what's up. It's a new Meteor by FTC, I think. TS. I don't know. It's Meteor 350 grams it stands for. So it's about 14 ounces. El arrajado. I'm gonna tie this on the end of my rigging line, and I'm gonna toss it up there. Up. All right, man, I like it. I like it. This one's gonna have to come out like right here, right there. All right. Para jalar, vamos a jalarla acá. Ahí donde está usted, don. Sí, aquí al ladito de este árbol. Here, but it still kind of took off that way. Oh wow, nice car, man. All right, do it, baby. Guys, so I want to show you, for those of you that are using split tails like this with either a pinto or a hitch climber pulley, there's a very easy way to still use this in a very efficient manner. And what I mean by that is like, for instance, in spar work. So whenever you're doing spar work, you're gonna be hooked up to the spar, and usually that means you're gonna use a friction saver like this. You're gonna throw your friction saver on, and you're gonna do your work on it, yeah. But you can cancel out the friction system altogether, and having to deal with that and having to tie it on and do all the shenanigans, right? Simply by creating a loop at the end of your rope. Yo, tie that on? Yeah. Simply by creating a loop at the end of your rope. Yeah. And tying it off to the tree with a bowline. I'm using a carabiner here. You can use a carabiner if you'd like. And then, in order for you not to bind your hitch, say you had to like bail out, you couldn't just descend on this hitch. It'll bind up. You need to put this right here back through that carabiner like this. Make sure that this bottom end, this side that's coming out underneath your pulley, is below this standing end here that's choking the tree, and that's going to make it's gonna add another friction point for your system so that your hitch won't bind up on you while you're bailing out or you have to descend on that. You could even just descend on that to get lower, to go below to your next cut or something, you know what I mean? So it becomes very efficient way to work. And so we're going to demonstrate that here in this video, how you could just take a very simple system like this, no gadgets, nothing like that. And like if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I love gadgets, but I also love using my other techniques, right? Like with this kind of gear, and just kind of show you the same implementation that I use with those gadgets with lesser shiny gear that's not all that fancy. And I think what I want to just show in this video more than anything is that these are concepts. These aren't this concept that I apply to, you know, when I'm using a Akimbo or Rope Runner Pro or Zigzag. Like, it's not limited to those devices. It's not limited to device, period. It's just a concept that can be applied to anything that you're doing, to any kind of climbing system that you're using. And that is the beauty of concepts. That is what I would like to show here. And would also like to thank you guys for viewing. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. Or wait, hang on, don't hit the like button yet. Check this out. I'm gonna put a quick bowline in here. I'm gonna twist here, pull a loop through, put this end through, and tighten that up. And I got myself a little cowboy bowline. Tails on the outside. Sweet. Alright, and we'll come down a little bit. So this is what I'm saying. I'm gonna put all my weight into this, and I won't bind it because I've got that extra friction point there, and now I can just descend to my next work area. Yeah, should get that knot under control there. And now I can just put a little rope into the system, pull the sucker down. And just like that, I don't even have to do anything extra. Okay, I'm gonna take the tail out of there, tighten this up, and put the tail back in. Could even use like a pulley style carabiner to help promote this even further. This is just another iteration to it, and that's it. All right, ready? And that's it. I don't think they're too crazy about their lawn, so I think that's okay. All right, so now, real quick, I just want to go back to that same thing that I was telling you guys earlier. You don't need any fancy equipment to do this. All you need is maybe like a carabiner, which you probably already have, and you might not even need this this pulley. I'll take the pulley off just to show you guys even more like how bare bones this could be. Okay, this doesn't need to be groundbreaking stuff here. It's really simple. I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit. I'm gonna put my tail, make sure my tail is underneath this standing end that's choking the tree. All right, so now I'm gonna put my weight into it. We're gonna rappel on this system here, and you'll see how this doesn't bind, okay? Make sure you hold this to help you feed slack into the system as you're going down. Obviously, that's not gonna be so important whenever you're, you got to bail out or something like that, you'll be fine. All right, if you just kind of bomb out. But look, see, I put all my weight into it, right? And now I'm gonna come back, take this off here, I'm gonna remove it. All right, so I'm gonna add some rope into the system. And as I do that, I'm gonna pull down on the other two ends. I pull my carabiner back towards me, take these two pieces of rope out, pull my carabiner out of that crotch, and I'm ready to rinse and repeat. So, let's do that. Let's rinse and repeat here. Nice and easy. This is too simple, man. This is too easy. Yeah? Right here. Push that up there and bring my tail in. Tidy this up real quick. Chance, man. Okay, good. This is good. All right, now I'm